What is that? Is it hostile? Alright, so craft. Oh, he just makes it automatically. Oh, okay. What are those? Wait, what is this? I'm in my hand right now. Why does my berries look like they've... Oh, okay. So I have, let's see, a hunting knife, a mining pick, and a sickle. So can I use a sickle? Nope. No. I love you. Love you too. Good night. Nope, I'm not gonna see you. I see your hand, child. Your hand is seen. That's about it. Nothing else. Go poke him and see. No, I'm not gonna go poke him and see. He's probably gonna kill me if I do that. I love you too. Good night. I'd be like, do I look like an idiot to you? But I already know how you're gonna answer that, so. So. I'm gonna make a torch. I didn't get plant fibers from that. I got sticks. What gives me plant fibers? Sticks. Oh, wait a minute. Can I... Oh, wait, I don't have sticks. Sticks. More sticks. Are there plants I can grab? Am I just not seeing them? Shade. I can't get in that corner. I'm gonna burn. I'm dying. What do these little things do? Are they friendly? Oh. Hello. Oh. You are scorching. You are overheating. Surely nothing bad happens when that happens, right? Saw your hand. Poke it. You saw... Yeah. Yeah, she was just saying, get it. So, aloe. I can get aloe. I'm not gonna poke it. Trying to kill me. Can I not move these? Oh, okay, I can. Can't put it in. Okay. Well, you're no fun. Sorry that I don't immediately go and get myself killed for your enjoyment. I'm not a clown. It's not like we're like dance clown. I'm like, oh, okay. A little bit cute, huh? What is the purpose of a sickle? Oh, I can hold a torch at the same time too? But I want to hold the torch at the same time. Not that. People sharing fronds and like. I mean, it just okay. Well, what can I slash? What was not what I was gonna slash? Oh. Hey. I don't need all these sticks though. I need fiber, which there's like none around here. Oh, here we go. Fiber. As I literally find fiber. These can be used to craft items. Okay, yeah. By using tools, you can harvest better resources with special qualities of the realm. My eye is itchy and I'm sticking my hand above my glasses and underneath. Craft higher level tools to harvest from higher level resources. Each tool has a certain damage type. Creatures have varying weaknesses and resistance to damage types. Okay. So what I want to do here is... That does not look like an axe. But, you know, whatever.
It slipped my skull that Earth's great citadels resulted from decades of toil. Still, I expected more than that lowly truss of sticks and the haphazard cudgel you now hold.
Ow, what?
You'll need better woodworking skills than that when we reach our destination proper. It affords the perfect setting for... well... we shan't ruin the surprise. Let us depart, and speak of your ill-favored constructs no more.
You're rude. One
final byway of muck and mire, then this path of beginnings shall fork unbounded into whatever endings you seek.
Fine, you know what? Where is it? I'm gonna go hit it right now. We'll just chop that tree down. What's this? Cool. Oh. Well then. Now do I drop stuff? Yes, I do. What does that skull mean? Your carrying capacity is reduced, suffering the effects of an untimely end. A great weakness settles over you. You recover time, but seeking your lost belongings may expedite the process. Weird. Evil laugh. I didn't even try to hit it. It just hit me. And I don't even know why it attacked me. Why did it attack me? I think maybe it was just doing its own thing, and I just happened to be too close to it, and I got hit. Ooh, it's fancy. A lot of wood I just picked up. What's it doing? Huh. I am wet. You're not going to the swamp biome. You can extract essence dust from most items in your inventory. What does essence dust do though? Ooh, game. Right. So they have one. They have 0. So can they level up? I assume. Ooh.
If not for Astaroth's decree, this trek would have been as easy as peach pie.
I don't like
We
pie.
Fae are forbidden from consorting with your kind. And while my amity is yours, it behooves us both to move with caution.
Ooh, you me. Sorry.
But enough prattle. The bound guard Fae archways that align with temporal realms. As they're already acquainted with your despair, those fiends will emerge when you try to leave this final byway.
Wait, the bound guard fan for that one.
While I know man's impulse is to flee, without pluck, you're sure to expire. Prepare yourself, Realm Walker. Once this fen is within our wake, a fine morsel of knowledge I shall bequeath. Ahead lie relics of humanity's future.
Okay, so I'm going to build armor and weapons now. Is that the idea? Slight lag right there. Oh, more of it. What creatures? It's like, oh, hold on, what's that? Is that like a rat? Kangaroo? Never looks like a rat kangaroo. Oh! Wait, come over here. Oh, he hit me and it hurt. Hurt a lot. I can block. Ran out of stamina. Ow. Jerk. What? So wait, what is the right click? It's like a jump? That's one way to carve something. So I need to make a fire because I need food. Roasted meat. And now, can you do more than... I only pick up one? I only picked up one meat, okay. Wrapped in a leaf. How convenient. So, is my green bar... My green bar is food. Your quest should be able to kill it. Your quest items, you mean? What are you saying? Hello, Mr. Bunny Rabbit, Kangaroo. Okay, cool. Oh god, I keep praying. I want to like left click to do what I'm doing, and not it. got 2 meats this time. There's another guy. Me, you little whatever you are. Sorry, sir. Craft a makeshift capelet? A capelet. Oh, here we go. Oh, I need fiber. No. Fiber seems to be something I require often, so... Oh, eating meat gave me more health. You got a bonus, just like in Valheim. Okay, cool. Boy! Scared the poop out of me, sir. Oh god, there's another one. So hitting them in the head looks like it does a critical. It's like a mix of like a breaking glass sound almost, and you get like a little icon. Kind of looks like a shatter symbol or something like that. Healing. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. 11 health. Injury 5. Oh, okay. It's just overall better. That's cool. So I did roasted meat. What do you make healing salve out of? The question is, do you need... Very in particular about building randomly all over the place, so... I can do more roasted meat again. Oh, healing salve. Fiber and... Oh. So, oh, here we go. Okay, so you, okay, cool. Oh, so you're gonna, can you queue stuff up? You can't. Why is it saying I don't have... That was weird. I can make more healing salve. I'm liking this so far. Ooh, no. So I wonder, if I eat another food, will I get another buff on top of the one I have now? What's that? So I see the items have tiers, so right now it's just tier 1 meat, huh? That's kind of cool. Opening the menu and selecting extract. Use essence to restore any worn tools or clothing in your inventory. I mean, I would say I have... Hold on. So, like, it says... It's weird. Like, it's saying you have the items, but you can't do it. I wonder if that's because... Oh, you scared the better.
You've stolen life to preserve your own.
Yeah.
A necessity, lest it become a vice. One imbibed by men like dandelion wine.
Okay.
Now, I've led you about around, through bog.
Oh, God, no, sorry.
Now, I've led you about around, through bog, through bush, through brake, through briar, and forthwith a temporal realm of abeyance awaits. And so too, Nightingale. First you must oblige your inner essence and choose the landscape that beckons. Ah, no need for words, only thought. The ore of the fen. Play your cards, but beware. The bound will storm once the archway rouses. Crack their pitiable little skulls. Show no mercy.
Okay. Fuck's being, you know, there's a little violent there, but hey. Guess you gotta do what you gotta do. So I got... You only have 4 stacks of salves. What's up there? Okay. So we go in. Oh, stamina. So wait a minute. There was something else I could have made besides the salve, the berries, the roasted meat. Hello. Use a knife. Good, very weak damage though. Oh, real long reach. I like how stuff glows. So you know that it's there. I'm gonna cramp right there. Figured it since it said it was red, I wasn't gonna be able to get it. Look at that. Water squash. Oh, cool. Wait, there's more food around here? Hold on. I want to test out the whole food thing real quick. Come here, kangaroo thing. Murder. thought someone was next to me. I just got startled real quick. So wait, can I use... Oh, I can. Oh, cool. I get 2. I used for 1. Squish. Squish. The portal was further over there. A lot of foliage in the way. Don't kill it, you jerk. Ow. Oh god, disease! I'm wet and diseased. I'm slowly dying. So we don't want to go in the water. Okay, so it looks like it's... If it's over half, you take the damage from it. So wait a minute, if I go in that water, am I gonna get disease again? Damn. Interesting. Okay. We don't want to go in the water. Noted. Wait, what does this mean right here? Your rate of stamina is reduced. Your clothes are soaked through time will dry and fire will do more. Oh, okay. Interesting. But I do want to do this real quick. Because I want to see. Oh. Oh, there's no fuel. Just using all my sticks. You big jerk. Oh, they hit him in the head. They're so cool looking. They're like kangaroo, like raptor, dinosaur rats. I'm way down by my inventory. Oh, we do have a fifth. Oh, I could break down like anything in my inventory. So can I sword? Plus XYZ increases weight. Oh, here we go. So how can you you split? There's no way to split a stack. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, cool. So here we go. Oh, it does. Sweet.